Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Sony SRS XV900. This is the X Series wireless portable Bluetooth karaoke party speaker. It is equipped with a 25-hour battery. It has a built-in handle with wheels, and it does have an omnidirectional sound. So this speaker I just received today, this is a 25-hour battery which has a built-in battery. This one is a monster speaker. So this is the XV900. So if you're looking for a nice, powerful party speaker, this is it. This is the best speaker that they have on the market. It is made by Sony. It does use USB play and charge. You have a slot for a mic and guitar input. You get a 25-hour battery. You can use the battery or you can plug it in. Either way works just fine. This does have an omnidirectional party sound and lighting, so you can fill your room with an omnidirectional party sound. You can fill and move to the groove with 6 tweeters around the front, sides, and rear for great clarity. It does have mid-range vocals. It cuts through thanks to the dedicated stereo drivers, and it's all backed up with a Punxsy bass. You can fill thanks to the X-Balance speaker unit woofer and jet bass booster. So right here you do get a little instructions manual, you do get an optical cable, and you do get the power cord. So the great thing about this is it does light up at night. It has an immerse yourself in an ambient light that fills your space with color. So it has many different colors. So you've got this little thing right here. It says the demo and it tells you it's 25 hours. You've got the power button, your Bluetooth, your optical, audio in, USB, play, pause, volume down, volume up. You got mega bass, and then you've got your TV sound booster. So it makes it sound super nice and clear. So 25 hours, 10 hours on the battery equals 3 hours. You got the party never stops, up to 25 hours of battery life with the XV900. This will keep the party powered and lidded. It has a quick 10-minute charge is all you need to charge up to about 3 hours of music. The battery care feature stops charging just before the battery reaches 100% to increase the health of the lifespan. So you can see that this speaker is a pretty good size. It does have these subwoofers and it has its bass boost. You can see the light here up at the top. It does have handles in the front and in the back, and they do come with wheels on the back, so you can actually pull along with you wherever you take your music. You can take it anywhere you want. You could take it outside for pool parties. You can bring it with you on the go. This is a plug and play karaoke. You can get the party started, just pick up the track. You have a microphone spot, so you can plug in the microphone if you like playing karaoke. It also has a spot for a guitar. So on the back you have a USB, you have audio in, optical, you have your volume min and max. You got 2 of them. You got a mic 1, mic 2. You have a spot where it says guitar, and then the battery. So this one is a powerful speaker. It has total control with a top-notch panel. You're in complete control with this. It has a groundbreaking sound. The X-Balance speakers delivers a power, clarity, and distortion-free sound. So this one is super nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to my Bluetooth device, and I'm going to play it, and I'm going to let you listen to it. This one here is copyright-free music. I believe it's direct drive front loaders, pack of 2. So here is the, as you can tell, this one here does have really great sound. This does have the 3-way sound system, which is made for parties and long playing. This does have omnidirectional audio, which is much more. It is dedicated drivers that brings your mid-range and vocals clarity. The X-Balance speaker delivers distortion free, so it makes your music sound way better. This does have up to 25 hours of playing time, plus a quick charging, so you can charge it really quick and get back out there listening to your sounds. The TV sound booster delivers a brilliant audio visual experience. The X-Balance speakers delivers power and clarity. It does have both a built-in microphone and a guitar inputs. So this is the XV900. If you're looking for a nice party speaker that you want to take with you to parties, or you want to use it for karaoke, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is the last speaker that you'll ever need.